So today I'm going to talk about Rahu in the Dhanistha Nakshatra. So before we understand the remedies, what you should do when Rahu sits in the Dhanistha Nakshatra, before that you have to understand what exactly the Dhanistha Nakshatra is all about and what exactly the Rahu is and what happened when Rahu sits in the Dhanistha Nakshatra. So Dhanistha Nakshatra owns the two zodiac signs, that is Capricorn and Aquarius. Any planet sitting in the Capricorn and Aquarius can have a nakshatra lord as a Dhanistha. So right now, if I talk about, so right now Rahu is sitting in the Dhanistha Nakshatra. So Dhanistha Nakshatra is connected to the power. It is connected to overall money, overall prosperity in the life, and the ruling planet is Mangal. So Dhanistha Nakshatra is ruled by the Mangal. It represents overall materialistic things in life. It represents overall success wealth wise. But that doesn't mean only the physical wealth. It means knowledge, wisdom, status, and everything is included in the Dhanistha Nakshatra. What exactly the Rahu is? Rahu is a planet of illusion, greediness, or we can say never satisfied with the success. So when Rahu sits in the Dhanistha Nakshatra, then people become more, they have a more craving about money, success. One project being completed, they started chasing the next one, and again the next one being completed, they started chasing the next one. So Rahu is a planet of illusions. Rahu is a planet of greediness, and Rahu is a planet which is connected to never satisfied. And Dhanistha, which is ruled by the Mangal, this is a planet which is connected to the money and overall knowledge and wisdom. So now here, when Rahu sits in Dhanistha Nakshatra, this is a time when people will chase more money. They want more career success. They want more financial stability. And if money will not comes to them, then they will become mad, or they keep on craving more about the money. So now, when right now the Rahu is sitting in Aquarius in Dhanistha Nakshatra, so to get the maximum benefit of Rahu sitting in the Dhanistha Nakshatra, you have to do the few remedies. This will help you out to ease the process. If you are going through Rahu ki Mahadasha, you are going through Rahu ki Antardasha, or the Rahu and Ketu axis is activated in your birth chart, then during this time you should do this remedy to get the maximum benefits of Rahu sitting in the Dhanistha Nakshatra. First, the plant which is connected to the Dhanistha Nakshatra is a Shami plant. Make sure that you are offering Shami leaves to Lord Shiva daily throughout the Savan month and throughout when the Rahu sits in the Dhanistha Nakshatra. This will help you out to bring more balance in your life, money wise and overall prosperity wise. Doing Rudra Abhishek on the daily basis help you a lot. It has been written in our Shastra, when you pray to Lord Shiva, this will help you out to balance the energy of the Rahu, because Rahu is illusion, greediness, shortcut, and Lord Shiva is connected to the calmer energy, detachment, and a stable energy. So now, when you on the regular basis, when you do the Rudra Abhishek, if you have a nearby temple, you can do the Rudra Abhishek by your own. The video has already been shared. In any case, you are in such a country where you are not able to do the Rudra Abhishek, then you can do the Mansik Rudra Abhishek daily. The Mansik Rudra Abhishek meditation link has already been shared in the description. Third, a very important thing is when Rahu sits in the Dhanistha Nakshatra, it is like how you are utilizing your wealth. You keep on chasing your wealth, or you are giving or donating the wealth too. So this is a time where you should, if you don't have any loans and debts on you and you have sufficient money, then make sure that on the regular basis you are doing the donation. What is the best donation you can do during this time? Try to donate chandan in a nearby temple. Try to donate red color towel in a nearby temple. And on the regular basis, you have to donate, or you can feed cows anar also. This will be going to help you out to balance your energy, and this will be going to give you lot of financial abundance also when Rahu sits in the Dhanistha Nakshatra. You can chant Namah Shivaya on the regular basis. Set a time, and if you invite more discipline in your life, because Dhanistha Nakshatra is connected to the Mars, which is a planet of actions, discipline, and responsibility. So stick to one mantra at the same time. Like you can chant Namah Shivaya daily between 6:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. daily without miss. If you are going through Rahu ki Mahadasha, Antardasha, and it is becoming problematic for you, then make sure on the regular basis you are chanting Namah Shivaya at least for 12 minutes daily without miss. at the same time. Do this continuously for 45 days. You will notice that Rahu in the Dhanistha Nakshatra will started giving you the positive results. Start wearing more light color clothes. As much as you wear more light color clothes, this will also help you out to balance the energy of Rahu in the Dhanistha Nakshatra. The Dhanistha Nakshatra can also be balanced when you are going to play the Damru in the house. So daily you have to play the Damru in the house for at least 2 to 5 minutes. This will also help you out to activate the Rahu in the Dhanistha Nakshatra positively. So these are the remedies which is written in our Shastra, which you should do on the regular basis to get the maximum benefit when the Rahu sits in the Dhanistha Nakshatra. Chasing wealth is good, but when you are like you have a big goals in life, daily you have to move one step further. But if you're not satisfied in the present movement and you always feel unsatisfied, that is how this Rahu in the Dhanistha Nakshatra will started giving you the negative results. You need to understand the life in such a way. A person want to have a shop, and he prayed to the universe daily, I want to have a small shop. And with the blessings of the universe, that person got that small shop and he is working in that shop. The next, he is not satisfied that he got the job. He got that shop. But now he is chasing for more. He want a bigger store, then multiple store. Then he want that stores in an international market too. It's good that your goal should be big, your vision should be good, your visions should be big. But if you are not satisfied in the present movement, then the Rahu in the Dhanistha Nakshatra will started giving you the negative effect. It's good that you should have a big goals, big visions in life, but try to pay gratitude in the present tense. If you are not paying gratitude, then Rahu sitting in the Dhanistha Nakshatra can start giving you the negative results too. So chasing success is good, but being satisfied in the present tense is also very important. So start doing these remedies. It is going to help you out to overcome the challenges of the Rahu, and you will notice that gradually and slowly your life will start becoming better. Har Har Mahadev.